The basic pillars of data science. Other than these three pillars, which are or is being displayed on the screen, there are many other pillars, but these three pillars considered to be the strongest and the most base, which 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 will give you a strong foundation, you can say. So data scientists come from different backgrounds, from different what we can say work experience backgrounds as well. But the similarities between these data scientists is gonna be these three, because if you want to be a data scientist, you should be very strong in mathematics, especially in statistics, probability and linear algebra. Then comes computer science, and then comes domain knowledge. Because domain knowledge you can get it from your experience, because if you start working in projects related to that particular domain, you will definitely get some knowledge, domain knowledge, which would definitely help you in building in the cost of building the models. But the two topmost priorities, what we can say skill set, which is compulsory mathematics. You have to have a very strong mathematics, but don't worry. Python is at what we can say the programming languages are at the rescue. So don't worry about that, even though if you are not good at mathematics. But in basic, what we can say, hard work on mathematics will definitely help you in understanding the intuition behind those algorithms. Because the moment you get to know the intuition behind those algorithms, the machine learning algorithms, you can apply it and you can tweak it as per your convenience. So that's how it is going to help you. And computer science, it is nothing but all about database structures and data structures and algorithms, and mostly the programming languages like Python and R. So these two are the most famous programming languages which are being utilized or used for solving the data science problems. Other than this, there are many other languages as well, but most of the industry guys, they are dependent on these Python and R. And out of these two, Python has a completely upper hand over R as well. So that's how you have to set your foundation. Like if you want to be very, very strong in data science, you have to have a very good mathematics knowledge, especially statistical knowledge. And then you should possess the computer, what we can say programming languages, because that's how you want to communicate with your system, right? That's how you want to tell your system, because it cannot understand your language and you cannot understand that language. So there should be some platform where you two guys can communicate easily. So that is where the Python comes into the picture. So it is like a bridge between the end user and the computer. So you should be in such a way that you should at least tackle some of the use cases in Python, so that it won't be a problem to you in this particular phase. Now let's move on to the complete process.